Y'all, I'm about to do some meal prep on some chicken, or I'm about to cook some chicken. And I cook a lot of it, but I wanted to share with you. Have you guys ever tried the Mrs. Dash, the chicken? It's chicken grilling blends. But I think this is the best when you're baking chicken. So I just use this with some little bit of salt and pepper, onion powder, and your garlic powder. But definitely this right here, this Mrs. Dash, salt free. Try it. So what I usually do, I'll put my chicken in. My chicken is already clean. I like to rotate it. Maybe one right there. And I always wash my hands. And I go in with my seasonings. This is a little onion powder. A little garlic powder. A little pepper. And I'm going to wait to put my salt on the top because I don't use much salt. And this is the chicken season from Mrs. Dash. So now all I do now is flip my chicken over because you got to season both sides. Wash my hands again. And I go in with the same seasonings again. You can season it with how much you want, how heavy you want. It's your food, you do it how you want. That was my onion powder, my garlic, a little bit of pepper, and this is where I'm going to put a little bit of salt on next. I don't put much salt. And then I go in with my chicken seasoning. So what I usually do, I put a little bit of water or broth in the bottom if you want to. That's what I usually do. And then you're going to cover this and then let it cook. Have you guys ever just cooked broccoli? Well, broccoli is like the easiest thing to cook. So I have my water boiling. And all I'm going to do, put my broccoli in. And let that come back up to a boil. I have potatoes boiling back there for my meal prep. But you just let that come back to a boil. And you let it cook for like 5 minutes and your broccoli will be done. That is the most easiest thing to cook. I'm going to do some zucchini and squash. I got my butter in there. So all you're going to do is just add your zucchini in there. squash. I've already washed and cut it up. And you just let this cook. Very simple. I usually put onion in here also, but a lot of this I won't be eating. One of my family members really doesn't like onions, and since I won't be eating a lot of this, I didn't put the onions in it. So just let this cook till it gets tender, and I'll let it cook a little bit before I season it up. And just put the lid on it and just let it cook. So now we're going to go ahead and prep our containers. I've already put my mashed potatoes in there. So we're going to put our chicken in here. And I did chicken legs, so I like to rotate it. We're going to put 2 chicken legs in each container. And this poor little chicken, they could have let that one live a little longer. And next, got my zucchini and squash. So I'm going to do zucchini and squash. And 3 of them, and then I'm going to put broccoli in the other 3. This is our broccoli. So there you have it, you guys. You got your baked chicken, broccoli, and potatoes, as well as your baked chicken with your potatoes and zucchini and squash. 6 meals prepped. So that's what you eat on for the week. I'll eat on this for the week. And you guys, I failed to add, whenever you do your meal prep, your food is hot. So what you want to do, once you put in your containers, please let your food cool down. Let it cool all the way down before you actually put it in the fridge. Usually what I do, when I prep my meals, if I, within a whole week, if I haven't ate the food, that's when I'll put it in the freezer. You guys, do me a favor. I see you guys are watching the videos. Do me a favor and subscribe. Like, and also leave me a comment. Thank you. Have a good week.